everybody, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Cheryl and I'm the activity author here to bring you another book inspired craft video. And if you don't know me, hey, I'm Cheryl. I am an author and I create easy kids crafts out of household items that are usually inspired by books by self-published authors. And if you like that kind of stuff, make sure you guys click that like button because you already gonna love this video. And hit that subscribe button so you guys can stick around and become a part of my creative army. And I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna enjoy your stay because I have over 250 videos here on this channel that you guys can indulge in and create with kids and get crafty. All right guys, so that's enough of that introduction. Let's go ahead and jump into our book for today. So our book is by second-time author Mr. Jonathan Marshall, and this book is called Does It Rain Food? Don't you just love that title? It's such a creative title. Like, just listening to that title, I want to know more about this book automatically. And this book was illustrated by an artist named Visoli. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. I'm so sorry if I butchered it. It is here on the screen for you guys, okay? Beautiful illustrations, by the way, you did that. This book is going to expand your kids' curiosity and broaden and expand their imagination. So you guys definitely want to stick around to the end of the craft so you guys can hear more about this book and why it deserves to be on your bookshelf or your child's bookshelf. All right guys, so without all that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump into today's craft inspired by Does It Rain Food by Mr. Jonathan Marshall. So like I always say, let's get crafty. So this umbrella seemed to be a reoccurring image that popped all throughout this book. So I knew we had to create this, and then we're gonna do it with a little twist. So go ahead and have your child color or paint a plate, and we are going to cut this plate in half. So you only really need the whole plate, but I just let her decorate the whole thing. So here's her image. I'm gonna cut it in half like you see here. I already did that. And now you're going to make a umbrella shape. You're just gonna cut a bunch of little U's in it, and that is going to give your umbrella its look. Because this is a silly book, go ahead and let your kids be silly. They can add things to their umbrella. We had a couple strap pieces left over, so my daughter wanted to put feathers and all types of things. So then now I'm going to make the stem of the umbrella. I'm going to use the rest of the plate. Oh, I feel so bad cutting my baby's artwork, but I told her it was going to be used, so yeah. So cut out a J shape with your plate. You can also use construction paper if you don't want to use the rest of the plate. Either way, it works fine. All you're gonna do is glue your stem to your umbrella and you are done. And guys, wait, don't leave yet because I'm gonna show you how to put this little fun twist to this craft. So keep watching. All right, so let me show y'all what the twist is gonna be. So y'all remember this image I showed y'all before of the food and hidden umbrella, right? Well, this is how we are going to make our food. I took a bunch of scrap pieces and me and my daughter had so much fun taking these scrap pieces and making all the different foods that we saw in the book, or, you know, we created some that weren't in the book either. And we attached them to strings. You can staple it or glue it to a string. And then you're gonna take that fruit and you're gonna attach it to your umbrella. Now it's really raining food. I love this. You can also put the food on the umbrella. You can put the food on top of the umbrella. Do it however you want. But once you flip this plate, it's gonna be the cutest little umbrella food image, and it's perfect for this book. Wow, what do y'all think? Y'all like that one? I know y'all do, because it was just so creative in the colors. Oh my gosh, that one definitely deserves a Hall of Fame. So y'all know what y'all gonna do, right? Y'all gonna go ahead and create this craft, and y'all gonna go ahead and tag me on my Instagram. It's right here on the page, it's on the screen. go ahead and tag me so I can shout your child out and celebrate their beautiful artwork on my page and even put it on my website for my Hall of Fame, okay? So don't forget, tag me on Instagram, and while you tag me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me, because you guys, I post a lot of different content on my Instagram that I don't always post on YouTube, so y'all definitely want to follow me over there as well, okay? So now, like I promised you, we're gonna go ahead and talk about the book that inspired this wonderful craft that y'all just seen here today, and let's go ahead and find out some more about it, okay? All right, let's go. Little ones often have many questions about the process of babies being born. Can babies talk? Can babies cry before they're born? What do babies eat? This big brother in training would sure like to know the answer to all of those questions. So his thoughts are racing and his mind is wondering. So he wants to know, does it rain food in mommy's belly whenever she eats? What do you think? So you're going to have to get this book and you're going to have to follow along with him as he goes through this imagination journey, and he asks that question, does it rain food? So I love this book and the creativity behind it, guys, and you will too. So definitely check this one out. Quickly, and let me tell y'all about Jonathan Marshall. Now, Jonathan Marshall, he's a poet, a writer, entrepreneur, and author of children's books, as we all know. But did y'all know Jonathan spent the last decade and a half working with young children, all various backgrounds? He was a teacher. He did some work in the social work field, and he currently advises students at Eastern University, where he studied early childhood education. Okay, so this is a man of an education background, that's for sure, and y'all know how I feel about that. Hint, hint. So now, Jonathan is a person who likes to create and bring stories to life, and he does it in a fun, engaging way in all of his books. He's a family man for sure, and he resides in Philly with his wife and his 2 boys and his precious little daughter, little daddy's girl, and they inspire him each and every day to keep creating and coming up with all these different stories. Now, I believe Jonathan has about 6 books right now, but y'all, there are more on the way, and y'all can keep a lookout for some of his new titles coming out. Books like Princess Talou and the Queen. Another one is I Miss You Very Much. That's cute. And What's in This Book. So y'all gonna have to follow him on his social medias to see when he dropped these books. Y'all, please, please, please drop down in that description box right now. As y'all can see, his books are very affordable. I didn't see anything on the website over $10, any book, because all the books are $9.99 from what I can see. So very affordable. Please, y'all, drop down in the description box and grab these books. His books are so fun. I'm such a fan. Thank you so much, guys, for making it to the end of this video. Like I said, if you guys found this video valuable, which I don't see how you don't find it valuable, you already made it to the end of the video, so you might as well go ahead and like the video. Go ahead. I'm waiting. Go ahead, like the video. I don't gotta watch, but I'm waiting. Go like the video. Okay, thank you. And after you guys like this video, if you ain't hit that subscribe button, what you waiting on? What you waiting on? You're gonna lose me and you're gonna wish you had it. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you can stick around and see what I got coming up for you next week, because you guys do not want to miss that craft. I promise you that. And don't forget to go down in that description box. Go in the description box right now and go check out Mr. Jonathan Marshall and all of his many books. I done told y'all all about him, so now y'all go check him out, follow him on his social medias, and grab a copy of this book. And don't forget to share this video with a friend, a teacher, a babysitter, a parent, a pastor, somebody, anybody that out there that loves creating with kids. And don't leave just yet. I got more videos on this channel, and you guys can click on one of these 2 videos right now on the screen and keep the party going. And I'll see you in that video, okay? Till next time, bye.